SK Hynix just posted a 76% operating margin. Korea's stock market lost 864 trillion won in value before regulators stepped in. 47 trillion won left Korean crypto exchanges for overseas platforms this year alone. And Europe just became a bigger market for K-beauty than North America. It's Thursday, July 30th. Let's get into one of Korea's top economic stories today. Global demand for high-bandwidth memory chips used in AI servers has driven an unprecedented earnings cycle for Korean chipmakers. At the same time, a sharp sell-off triggered panic selling among retail investors, wiping out market value in a single trading session. Meanwhile, Korean investors continue moving funds to overseas crypto exchanges, and Chinese tech firms squeezed out of Hong Kong listings are turning to Russia instead. Here's what the numbers show. SK Hynix posted 79.3 trillion won in quarterly revenue and 60.5 trillion won in operating profit, a 76% margin, driven by HBM-4 demand from AI chipmakers. SK Hynix began early mass production of HBM-4 at its Cheongju M15X fab this quarter. The earnings surge puts SK Hynix on track to top 300 trillion won in annual revenue, a first for the company. The KOSPI closed at 5,663.24, down 360.42 points, while the KOSDAQ fell to 662.68, down 43.17 points, after a session that erased 864 trillion won in market capitalization. The Rout triggered an emergency meeting among Korea's top financial policymakers, known as F4, though the meeting came only after the panic selling had already hit retail investors. Korean investors moved 47 trillion won to overseas crypto exchanges in the first half of the year. Regulatory uncertainty around leveraged crypto products at home continues to push that capital toward markets like Dubai. Korea's K-beauty exports to Europe reached 2.3 trillion won in the first half, overtaking North America as a destination for the first time. So what does this mean for readers following Korea's economic direction? Earlier, we said SK Hynix hit a 76% margin. Here's what that actually means for you. Korea's chip sector is no longer just riding a cyclical rebound, it's setting a historic profit record that could reshape the country's growth outlook for the year. The market crash shows how quickly retail-driven panic can move Korean equities, even as the underlying tech story stays strong. And the shift of capital toward crypto and beauty exports abroad signals Korean money and Korean brands are increasingly finding better returns overseas than at home. That's today's AI Prism, Front Page Daily. This episode was produced with AI assistance based on Seoul Economic Daily reporting and reviewed by a human editor. AI Prism is a Won IFRA award-winning series. We'll be back tomorrow.